Number 1. 1984 Ford F-150, price $8,000. It has 145,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with an automatic transmission. The truck features a matching blue exterior and blue interior, and runs on gasoline, powered by a 351W engine and an automatic transmission. This F-150 comes with desirable factory features like power windows, power locks, and air conditioning. It has been recently tuned up and fitted with a new 2-barrel carburetor and adapter plate. The original 4-barrel carburetor and air intake are included. Other recent mechanical updates include a new master cylinder and a new battery. For a refreshed look, the truck has new smoothie wheels with Firestone tires, a new dash cover, and new door panels. An aftermarket Sony stereo has also been installed. Number 2. 1996 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,500. It has a rebuilt V6 engine with a mere 40,000 miles on it, suggesting it has a long, healthy life ahead. This truck is a short-bed model with a manual transmission, offering a more engaging driving experience. Its timeless aesthetic is defined by a white exterior and a classic gray interior, and it runs on gasoline. The seller confirms that the truck runs great and has zero mechanical issues, providing confidence in its performance. Almost everything on the truck is in working order, with the exception of the air conditioning system. It comes with a clean title in hand and has up-to-date tags, making for a straightforward purchase. For added peace of mind, an alarm system has been installed. The truck is also equipped with a modern Bluetooth radio and a sound system, blending classic charm with convenient modern features. Number 3. 1993 Ford F-150, price $10,000. This is a dependable truck with 184,600 miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission, a brown exterior, and a tan interior, running on gasoline. The truck runs well with no known leaks or mechanical issues. The seller has had all maintenance completed within the last year, ensuring it is in good working order. The tires are nearly new, with less than 100 miles on them, and the battery is approximately a year old. The air conditioning works and blows cold, and the truck is equipped with 2 gas tanks for extended range. The only known issues are a very slow leak in the driver's side front tire, which is believed to be a problem with the rim, and one of the gas tank gauges no longer works. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race. Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds. Number 4. 1985 Ford F-150, price $8,000, boasting just 56,000 original miles on the odometer, a fact that can be verified with a Carfax report. Originating from Virginia, the truck has very little to no underside rust, a significant benefit that speaks to its well-preserved condition. It is a reliable daily driver, used for errands without any issues, and its engine, which runs on gasoline, is paired with an automatic transmission for a smooth ride. The truck's appearance is unique, featuring a custom purple exterior that stands out from the crowd, while the interior is a classic black. The vehicle has not had any modifications, keeping it in its original factory state. This combination of low original mileage, minimal rust, and no modifications makes it an excellent choice for a collector or someone who wants a classic, dependable pickup for everyday use. Number 5. 1978 Chevrolet Big 10, price $10,000. It has had only one owner since it was purchased brand new in 1978, a testament to its long-term care and history. The vehicle remains remarkably original, with nearly everything in its factory state. The only known changes are a replaced radio and a recovered seat, which was redone years ago. The truck is in need of some tender loving care, as it has been sitting for several years. This means it will require mechanical attention and potential restoration work to get it back on the road. Despite its current state, its single-owner history and largely original components make it a perfect candidate for someone looking for an authentic project with a clear lineage. Number 6. 1989 Ford F-250, price $6,500, capable and reliable truck with a documented 85,000 miles on the odometer. It features a convenient automatic transmission and a practical off-white exterior finish. Under the hood, it is powered by a robust 7.5L 460 engine and is a true 4x4, making it ready to tackle a variety of terrains. The truck is reported to run and drive well, and for added comfort, both the AC and heat are in working order. It comes with a clean title and has recently been fitted with a set of new tires, adding significant value. The seller notes 2 minor issues that need addressing: a replacement windshield and a new hood latch. Despite these small imperfections, the F250's low mileage and overall solid condition make it a compelling choice for anyone in the market for a dependable, heavy-duty pickup.
Number 7.
1993 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,000. It has 281,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with a smooth automatic transmission. The truck features a unique Regency Viper package, which includes a step-side bed and a full body kit, giving it a sporty and aggressive look. Its exterior is a clean white, complemented by a warm brown interior, and it operates on gasoline. The performance of this truck is a key selling point. It's powered by a formidable 454 big block Chevrolet engine, which has been enhanced with a small cam and an Edelbrock Performer No. 1411 750 CFM carburetor for increased power and efficiency.
Despite these upgrades, it still utilizes the stock 700R4 transmission, a proven and reliable component.
According to the seller, the only immediate need for this powerful vehicle is a new set of plug wires, a minor fix that would have it running at its best.
Number 8.
1990 Ford Ranger, price $3,500, with 50,000 miles on the odometer, is a classic truck with a cohesive look, featuring a matching red exterior and red interior. It has an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The truck runs and drives, but the owner notes a minor issue with the shifting, which they believe is electrical since the transmission was just rebuilt. It is in good overall condition, with the interior free of any rips on the seats. It has new tires with amazing tread, and the AC blows cold. The stereo, speakers, and wipers are all in working order. All lights function except for the brake lights, which is also believed to be an electrical issue since the bulbs have been replaced.
Number 9.
1993 Chevrolet 2500, price $4,200. The truck is a regular cab model with a spacious 8-foot-long box and is powered by a 5.7L engine. Its 5-speed manual transmission includes a low granny gear, giving it a formidable 10,000-pound pulling capacity. The current owner, only the second in the truck's history, has owned it for over 25 years and has primarily used it for landscaping around their property over the last decade. While the clutch was recently replaced, the owner notes that third gear grinds slightly when first engaged, though this does not affect its functionality or cause slipping. The steering is a little loose, and the windshield is cracked. Despite these minor issues, the truck has proven to be a very strong and reliable vehicle throughout its history.
Number 10.
1963 Chevrolet C10, price $8,500, featuring a classic single cab, short bed configuration. It has a manual transmission, a classic red exterior that has developed a fantastic patina over time, and a distinct blue interior. It is a gasoline-powered truck. The engine does start and run, which provides a solid starting point for the project. The truck has been stored in a garage for most of the time the current owner has had it. The owner notes that while it has rust in the usual spots, a common trait for vehicles of this age, its patina is a desirable feature. Recently, the transmission was pulled to replace the clutch, but the project was never finished.